Welcome to this Looker guide, Configuring Data Groups. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating data groups in your Looker instance. In order to follow this guide, you'll need access to a Looker instance, a solid understanding of your data model and the caching or persistence strategies that you want to configure, and some familiarity with LookML. Before we dive in, let's clarify what data groups are in Looker. Data groups are a way to manage the caching policy of Explore and the persistence strategy of persistent-derived tables in your Looker instance. First, let's navigate to our Looker Guide project. Log into your Looker instance. In the left navigation menu, click on Develop and choose the Looker Guide project. Then, navigate to our Looker Guide model. Right above our Products Explorer, let's create our data group. Let's name it Products_Data Group. Now let's add its max cache age parameter. The parameter is a time period specified by a number and followed by the words seconds, minutes, or hours. This time period is the maximum time period that explorers using the data group will cache results for. After the age of a query exceeds this time frame, the cache is flushed. Let's add a max cache age of 4 hours. We could also add an interval trigger to our data group. This parameter is not used for Explore caching policies, but it's used to determine if a PDT should be rebuilt. Let's add an interval trigger of 2 hours to our data group. Now we can add our data group to our Products Explorer by adding the persist with parameter to it. Once we've added it, all results will be cached for 4 hours. If we rerun a query before the 4-hour mark, our results will be cached and returned immediately, resulting in a better user experience and decreased data warehousing costs. That's it, you've successfully configured your first data group in Looker. Data groups provide a powerful way to manage caching and persistence policies within your Looker instance. If you need help managing your Looker instance, look no further. We are a full-service Looker consulting firm. We partner with Looker to help businesses maximize their analytics capabilities. We would be happy to meet with you to discuss your current Looker objectives and help you implement them. You can use the link below to connect with us. Until next time.